Shalom, shalom, brethren. I am here today with my son, Jim. Jim is about to be taking his leave. Do you want to tell him what you're doing, Jim?
Army National Guard.
He is going to the military. I'm proud of my boy. And so today we're celebrating a few things. We're shipping Jim off, and you know, the weight loss has been going well, and I promised you guys we'd be back out here shooting guns this spring. Well, it ain't spring, but it is in Tennessee. You wait a few minutes and spring comes around. So today we're going to blast some targets down there. Hope you enjoy. All right, let's walk down here and see what we did. There it is. That bird shot has really done a number, and that was from I'd say a good 30 feet away. So we know we can stand 30 feet away and we'll at least knock the knees out from somebody. Jim's turn.
All right.
You can pause it right there. Stop it.
Safety's off and everything.
Yeah, it should be.
Yellow target. That's it.
All right, let's walk it out.
I definitely hit it that time.
Yep.
That one did fire.
Yeah, I seen that. There's another one in there. That two both misfires.
Yeah.
I don't know why this thing ain't firing sometimes. I don't like that.
Huh. Sorry, one in there.
Oh. Huh, I caught that. Oh, tired up. Yeah. We having pheasant box for dinner. You want this one?
Oh yeah. That's what I was looking for.
Yeah.
Almost.
Them boxes won't hold water when we're through with them.
Yep.
Yellow.
A little high.
Red. I took some leaves out. Oh, that went in my pocket. It ejected and went in my pocket.
That one wanted us to come home.
Yeah, it did.
Oh, here I go.
Oh, that's what we was looking for.
Yeah. Get back here.
Woo!
That's all of them.
That's it. All right, guys. It looks like, I'm sorry, I'm yelling. It looks like we're not really doing any damage, but I want to show you what this bird shot's been doing. We have been hitting those boxes. Come on up here with me. Tell me if you would be want to be on the receiving end of that. May look like we didn't do much from these trees shaking, but that's because we didn't have slugs in there. We just using this bird shot. We are better shots than it looked. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the Shoot 'em Up Day. Shalom, shalom. We will be back with you tomorrow.
That concludes the Sunday edition of Monday Fun Day.
Amen.
Bye, y'all.